You think being obnoxious makes you cool? Well, you're kind of right. It kind of does. Oh, that's a big steak. I literally like that's a big
that is huge.
Slab of meat. Hi ladies and gents, quick little vlog. I'm over here with MotoNoir. We're cruising around Phoenicia, and my buddy Andy, I don't know if you could see it on GoPro, but that's his site along the side of the road, an elevated platform right by a river. That's fucking epic. It's too bad he's not here, but we'll come back here one day when he is here. All right, lead the way, broski. Let's get back. Oh yes, ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vloggy. We're just kind of exploring this area. We're camping at Woodland campsite of some sort. And yeah, we just went to the store in Phoenicia, got some beer, got some steak, got some fillets, some beautiful fillets, and now we're going back to the campsite. This is it. This is that was it. And we're gonna set up a fire. It's funny, it just started raining for exactly 30 seconds and then stopped. Yeah, that site is epic. The one I just showed you guys, that elevated platform, that's fantastic. That's super cute. Huge fan, huge fan. No popo, no popo. We're good to go. Ready to sit by the campsite and drink a couple of beers. That's it, sir. That is it. Supply run is done. Last night was pretty cool. We were up way too late. We were up till 3 in the morning. Just having a few beers, having a few laughs. Actually had the park ranger come over and tell us to shut the fuck up, which is not something I like, but that happened. And we immediately be quiet. We were laughing too loud, I think. You know? Nobody wants to hear a bunch of drunken motorcycle thugs laughing in the forest like hyenas. It's not cool. It ain't cool. You think being obnoxious makes you cool? Well, you're kind of right. It kind of does. And this is our epic little road to our campsite. I like it. I like it. Woodland Valley Road. That's what I'll name this vloggy vlog. Kids nowadays. Man, this bike is so fun. She is purring. Excited for the ride back tomorrow to the city because we're gonna do all back roads for the most part. I mean, until we get to freaking what do you call it? Like George Washington Bridge or whatnot. Beautiful. Oh man, I like camping. And our campsite is just so nice too. Ooh, a little bit of gravel. Tight little radius. spirited little cruise, I tell ya. Slow hidden lanes, be easy, soldier boy. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Yep, bro, brah. Beautiful. I'm excited to just camp. Perfect reset. This morning was so nice. I was the first to wake up. Made a nice casual coffee. Oh man, I was gonna buy some dehydrated mashed potatoes, but I didn't. Shoulda. Yo. Yo, what's going on, brother? Could you drop us off some firewood at what is it? 19, site 19.
You guys moved?
No, same site.
Yeah, I thought it was 16.
19.
19.
Yeah.
All right, I'll fly.
Wait, no, 16. You're right. I don't fucking even know. The one where motorcycles are parked. That one.
How much beer do you got in that cooler behind you?
No, that we polished like 18 beers each.
Yeah, we went up this morning. You guys were sleeping.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. We went to sleep at like 4 in the morning by accident. Oops. Park rangers were yelling at us. We had to be like,
Quiet.
you know. So.
I got a load on the cart now.
Okay, beautiful. Oh. Thank you, brother.
All right.
You're the best. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. It's fucking hot. Alright, see you in a minute. Beautiful. A little bit of firewood. A little more firewood, and we're here. Hello. We got another delivery of firewood right now coming.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, you feeling better there, Sunshine, after your Whittle nap?
A little better.
Nice. It's freaking hot out there. It started raining for a second, right? Well, the lady did say 5 o'clock yesterday. Ladies and gents, we're about to make a little bit of steak for a snack before soup. And that's MotoNoir. You guys watch MotoNoir? That's him making that noise. Anyway, we season the steak. Then once I put it back on the fire, I'll season the other side. So it's pretty good. And the fire is over there. Jay, aka NYC Scrambler, is eating this tonight. It's elk ragu. It's kind of fancy. And we're having steak. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna plop this steak on that grill, and then I'm gonna season the other side. Oh, that's a big steak. I literally that's a big
That is huge.
slab of meat.
Look at that thing.
Right? No. It's actually like, we didn't get the finest of steak. It's beef chuck boneless fillet. It's a beef chuck fillet.
Yep.
What are you gonna do? Anyway, now we'll just wait. 4 minutes per side. That's all we need. We'll see you guys in a minute. We'll just flip the steak over. A few more minutes. She'll be ready. The steak's been on here for quite a few minutes. I think she's ready. I'm gonna take it off. God bless you. Oh boy. Hard to tell. That is soup. It's almost time to eat some steak. I'm not gonna show you that part.